guys, it's Jenny from Tales for Toddlers. Today we're going to make our all-time favorite banana bread. It's so soft, moist and loaded with ripe bananas, raisins and toasted walnuts. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the notification. Now let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of unsalted softened butter and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to it. Cream those together on medium-high speed. Scrape down the sides as needed. In a medium mixing bowl, mash together 3 ripe bananas. Coarsely mash them up until you reach the consistency of baby food. Add the mashed bananas to the large bowl, along with 2 large room temperature eggs and mix them together until well combined. In a small mixing bowl, whisk together 1½ cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk them all together and add those to the creamed mixture and stir to combine. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last but not the least, add half a cup of raisins and half a cup of coarsely chopped walnuts. Using a spatula, fold all together just well combined. This batter smells amazing. Use a little of butter to grease the sides and the bottom of the pan and dust with flour. Now transfer all of your banana bread batter into your prepared pan. Lightly smooth out the top and add some walnuts and raisins for a prettier look. Make sure to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now bake the batter at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 to 60 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, let it rest in the pan for about 10 minutes and then transfer it from the pan to the plate. Oh wow, it's beautifully baked and my kitchen smells like banana. It's so soft, moist and loaded with walnuts and raisins. It has a really good banana flavor. This is my absolute favorite banana bread recipe. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. See you guys soon with more exciting videos.